This is a Walkout Grande luxury club level suite with Tranquility Soaking Tub, room 3110. As you can see, you come here on your patio and you have your soaking tub. And you also have a small sitting area that looks right onto the beach. As you come in, you have a desk area here. You have your king size bed here with an indoor sitting area as well. A large screen TV. This is a club level, so you have your elevated bar that also has your fridge underneath, stocked with your sodas, beers, waters, and alcoholic beverages. You have your closet here, and then you enter into your bathroom area here with the double vanity. Another soaking tub inside the bathroom, as well as a walk-in shower. This is the club level WGBT room with the Tranquility Soaking Tub on the patio.